Hey guys, this is Mike. I just wanted to share a quick recipe with you for some Asian wings. These are great for a Super Bowl party, family get together, or just anytime you want some really good wings. Take all your wet and dry ingredients. We're going to put them in a bowl, mix them together real good, get them incorporated. Then we're going to go ahead and take the wings, put them in a bag, put the sauce in there, or the marinade mixture. Go ahead and stick that in the fridge. Let it sit for 1 to 4 hours. Flip it intermittently so it coats each side real good. Then we're going to get ready to put these on a grill. Go ahead and set your grill or smoker up to about 300 degrees. I've got this one set up with some pecan wood on this Weber Smoky Mountain. Go ahead and arrange your wings on top of it. And we're going to go ahead and cover it and let them start cooking. I always like to flip mine once during the cook. So once you get them arranged to start cooking, they get done on one side, flip them until you get the same color on the other side. I like to take my wings to 180 degrees internal temperature, and then they're ready to come off the grill. I like to garnish mine with a little bit of toasted sesame seed and some green onion. Guys, I think you're going to love this recipe. Try it at your next Super Bowl party, the next time you want to have friends over, or just the next time you want some good wings. Enjoy. If you've never had smoked queso, you don't know what you're missing. Here's a list of ingredients. We're going to get ready and put this one together. Start out by taking half a yellow onion, dicing it, seed and dice 2 jalapeno peppers, put them in a skillet with a little pat of butter, saute them down, set them to the side. We'll get back to these in a minute. Set your grill or smoker up to about 250 degrees. Put your roll of sausage on there, cube up your cheeses, put them in a pan, set them on a grill, 250 using pecan wood, and let those go ahead and start cooking. About 20 minutes in, your cheese is going to go ahead and start melting. You're using indirect heat, so you're not going to burn it. Go ahead and put your diced tomatoes and your sour cream in. Mix it together and let it start cooking down. Stir that up real good. Once it starts coming together, you can go ahead and put your onions and jalapenos in there. Go ahead and let it cook down until it's all incorporated. Just keep stirring it and all come together. Once your sausage is done, let's go ahead and place it in the cheese. I'll take my spoon I've been mixing it with, break it up in there, mix all that together, and you're done. Scoop you some up in a bowl, put you some chips around it, grab your favorite cold beverage, and enjoy. I think this is going to be one that you do all year round. Thanks, guys.